Right, so something different this week. Driving that, look. Oh, she's pouring out.
That's that ramp, isn't it?
Oh, gutted. Okay, this is round 5 of the Isle of Wight Car Club's forward only auto testing, and we're at K Knighton Sandpit. What a great venue. This is if you want to pretend to be a rally driver, this is the place to be. So at the moment we've all just walked the course. Andy's going to do a slow drive in the car, so at least we can see a car going around the course.
Oh, jeez.
Mate, what's the score with the new car?
Well, we thought we'd go Subaru for a change.
Why
and
not?
It's going to get scrapped, so we thought we'd give it a go.
So what is it, a Legacy?
Legacy 2.5 GX.
Four-wheel drive?
Four-wheel drive.
Non-turbo?
Non-turbo, yeah.
Should be good, mate.
It's big though, and heavy, so we'll see how it goes.
But look at those wheels and tyres. I like it.
It's a winner.
Oh, okay.
Mate, you got new wheels and tyres.
Yeah, no, not new tyres.
Not new tyres. What are these? What wheels are these?
Turn
Then?
up, huh?
Are they did what? You ordered some, did
Yeah,
you?
I ordered some mud and snow tyres, but these are just the standard ones that come on it. So
You just don't want to trash your good tarmac tyres.
yeah, although I am thinking about putting them back on just for more grip.
Yeah. Give it a go. I mean, to be honest, I reckon now it's going to be horrible because it's all loose and dusty.
Yeah.
But once all that's been thrown away, it might be worth sticking on just to see, because you won't. Well, we don't know.
I'd do the first one on these anyway.
Yeah.
Because that's the thing, these don't. It doesn't really matter about these ones.
No, that's it.
These tyres are knackered anyway.
Oh yeah, they're absolutely mad.
May as well use them once before you get rid of them.
Yeah, I couldn't drive them on the road because they're just awful. But...
Perfect then.
Sorry?
Perfect tyres for here. Oh, nicely done.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
What happened?
I was so excited and got carried away. I've done a 360 twice.
We knew it with Dad when we were going around the course. We were saying, if someone's bound to do it, we're going to do it. You know, we're going to forget what lap we're on.
No. It's good though.
You were hustling that, mate. That looked really good.
It was hard work. It's hard to get it turned.
Get used to it again.
Nice.
Get off, Harry, the aircon works.
Right, so something different this week. Driving that, look. So Andy kindly offered Dad and myself to have a go in the Skoda Estate. Just look at it. What a beast. 1.9 TDI, front wheel drive, turbo diesel.
The seat does pump up as well, Barry.
Hey?
The seat pumps up if you want it to pump up.
Oh, can you? You can.
On the side, yeah, it's got a pump on it as well.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Go on, Dad. What's it like, Dad?
It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah, the front is,
Yeah.
you've got to watch it in the first one because she does tend to, if you're not
Understeer,
careful,
does it?
she'll drift.
Yeah. But apart from that, it's alright, is it?
Yeah, she's right, yeah.
Good, good. Skoda power. So I've just realised that we had a Skoda and we used to use it. And obviously not one of these. It was a Skoda. Was it a Favorite or whatever it was? So, but that was a 1.4 petrol. It's 2 point something diesel. See what happens. Oh. That's the answer. Oh. I mean, that ABS. I hate ABS. Where the pedal just like disappears underneath your foot, it's so unnerving. It probably is quicker than modulating your brake pedal, but gee. Anyway, first run. That was alright, wasn't it? Oh yeah, it's that ABS at the end.
Yeah, is that what, yeah?
Yeah, that's what it is. It like the pedal just disappears, doesn't it? And you go, stop, stop, stop.
You have to let off and pump it.
Yeah, well I don't, oh yeah, it's bizarre, isn't it?
It was a chauffeur.
scary. It's a good run though.
Fun.
Good,
Enjoyed
you're doing really well. Carry on. Well done, run 3.
I know, I killed the cone.
Yeah, the first cone, wasn't it?
I was trying to handbrake it, but I cut it a bit tight.
Oh, never mind.
And it was there.
We just got to go replace the cone now.
I know.
How you doing?
Not
Run
very
3? Why not?
I keep crashing.
Blaming the car.
The clutch is gone.
Has it really?
Yes.
Oh
It's
no.
certainly smelling.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
Yeah.
Never mind. Who's
That'll
that?
make you slower, not faster. You're going faster.
No.
Don't worry. The trick with this venue is you have to be super controlled, don't you? There's too many things to hit, too many loose things, so it's all about being calm.
He hasn't hit anything.
Smooth is fast. Well done, mate. Carry on. You're doing well. No, it's fine.
That's fine, you never touched it,
You
never
didn't
moved.
touch it.
That's good. Don't run over it as you pull away.
Yeah, that's
Turn
what
left.
That's what I was
Yeah, it's fine.
Well done.
Very good job.
You're doing really well today, mate.
That's exhausting work.
It is hard work, isn't it? But no,
18, I was all exhausting work, that is.
no, honestly, you're driving really well today, mate. Well done.
Half a second in the lead, you are. Well done. 7
Oh, I
grand.
did see that. I was super tempted. How's it going?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You're hustling this machine round, mate. It
Trying
looks
to.
good.
It's a learning curve.
It is, isn't it?
It's so much different from front wheel drive.
You're in! We have debris on the track. We have debris on the track. Let me just go and pick it up.
Okay, we'll hold.
Oh, that's just like an inner wing, isn't it? Inner wing guard and another inner wing guard. The track is now clear of debris. Marshal 1 clear. So here comes Dad, and since Robbie stuffed it up the bank, it's been making some rather weird noises, but never mind. It's still going, that's the important bit. Come on, Dad. Go on. Nicely done. Yeah.
Funny noise. Oh yeah, go on.
Does that mean we're in class 4 now? Oh, well done.
Yeah, both fronts.
Yeah.
That's
Literally,
right.
as you went up the bank, they kind of shot out and they left behind. It was brilliant. I've got it on film, so.
Did you?
Yeah. Don't believe it. Mate, I'm so sorry.
That's right.
Oh, she's pouring out.
That's that ramp, isn't it?
Oh. Don't touch the oil. That is all we can do, isn't it?
Yeah. Just stop it pouring out, isn't it?
Oh, it's shoving it up again. Oh, man.
Moments later.
Rev it, just sidestep the clutch, otherwise you stall it.
Mate, I'm really sorry I trashed your car. But at least you get another play of this. What's your number?